We recently released our Project AI Super Search feature in Deep Space. And one of the things it does is works with emails from your project. Now, what we heard from some of our early adopters was, what if I'm using Aconex or perhaps some other correspondence tool, how to kind of get those emails into Deep Space so the AI can work on them. So in Aconex, let's have a look at this. We go Setup, Preferences. The key settings in here are to make sure that we have entire mail body with attachments turned on, attachment size as high as possible. And basically this means that I'm going to get obviously a copy of my Aconex notifications in my inbox. Okay. Now if we jump over to Deep Space, we obviously have the Mail app, which essentially is a combined view of all the email on our project that's been forwarded into Deep Space. And you'll notice there's a special email address in here, which is essentially the receiving address for this project. So I copy that email address. And if I jump over to my Outlook now and find a related email, I can right click and go create rule. And obviously the key thing is that we're going to be able to filter these based on the content to make sure that we're targeting a specific project. So in this particular case, we can see that the email body includes this word. So we've added that as a rule that we're going to detect in Outlook, find that emails with specific words in the sender's address, such as, for example, au.aconex.com. Next. And what we primarily want to do is we want to forward this email. And we're going to forward it to that special email address. Next. We don't need to add any particular exceptions. And hit finish. What this is doing, obviously, is getting all of our emails synced over to Deep Space. And we can then straight away go into our project AI. And from a project management point of view, we want to start to use this to detect things like risks, help me manage the project, any emails about asset. So there is an email here about an asset data workshop. We can preview it. We can also ask Deep Space to write a response or propose a response, which we could then immediately copy, paste back into the Aconex thread, or reply via email. So we've seen how Deep Space can capture emails even from Aconex and search across them, preview them. We can even index and search the attachments. And so incredibly powerful tool which is going to speed us up and make us more productive.